Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or increase YouTube Shorts quality. So basically, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to open your YouTube web app so you can start watching your shorts or choosing the shorts which you want to change its quality. Basically, we need just to go to any shorts, and after that, you would need just to change the quality of the shorts. So basically here, you will need just to go to this 3 point icon and you will be able to go to quality, and from here you can start changing the quality. And as you can see, it is already on auto and you can make it higher picture quality and it will be able to be on the highest quality of the video. If you want to make this as a default change, you will need just to go to your profile and then go to the settings. And basically from there, we will find video and audio preferences. So basically here, we will be needing to go to the video quality preferences. We click on it and here you will choose depends on your network. If you are using your mobile network, you can make it as this or you can choose it on Wi-Fi and make it on higher picture quality. I'm just going to leave it as auto since I want it like that. After that, you will be needing just to go back so you can having your settings to be saved, and then you will be able to start having your changes by default on your shorts, etc. And basically, if you want to have your own shorts to be on higher quality, you will need just to increase the quality of the video. Make sure to go to your camera settings and search how to make them, for example, on Full HD instead on HD, like to be 1080 pixel, etc., to be in full HD resolution. And also, you can increase the bitrate so you can have less compression uh, effects. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.